Hey there, beautiful people out there, it's me again. So excuse the look, but we're about to get myself together, okay? So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I am going to go from this short style to installing clip-ins to give me some lengths, okay? So I saw on Instagram this beautiful girl, Lord, I forgot her name. I'll leave her link down below. And she had Brazilian curly clip-ins, and it was from her hairline. So I was like, ooh, that's what I want next, on some clip-ins. So I still have some clip-ins from like 3 years ago from HerGivenHair. So this is their KINKY clip-ins. So I'm going to install these in my hair. So as you guys can see, my hair is growing, but it's still short. So I'm going to figure out a way how to, you know, get it going so I can have that same style, but you know, of course, on short hair. And I want you guys to watch me and join me in doing this. So if you guys have short hair as well and you're trying to figure out how to put clip-ins or extensions in your hair with short hair, I'm here to show you how, right here, right now. So without any further ado, let's get so I'm in my bathroom because I just didn't want to like move all my hair products upstairs in my office. So we're just want to keep it real and just do it right here in the bathroom. So as you guys can see, I already braided my hair down in the back. So I'm so happy. So it's not perfect, but I'm happy because my hair, I'm able to braid my hair. When you have short hair, it's hard to grab it when you're braiding it. So I'm proud of that. That just means my hair is growing. Woo-hoo. So I did a video explaining how I'm growing my hair back out because I've been experiencing postpartum shedding, what's called postpartum hair loss. So if you haven't checked out that video, check it out here, just so you guys can see, because I know you're like, girl, do you just cut your hair? Or girl, do you just have a relaxer? Girl, I've just been doing the most. So just check out the video if you want to know. So like I said, I have these KINKY clip-ins. This is from HerGivenHair. I got these like 3 years ago and they are still good, you know. I know some weaves, they just like, you know, like you use them a few times and then you're just like, girl, bye. So what I did is I shampoo, condition, deep condition, and I used my deep conditioner, which is my absolute favorite right now. I'll show it to you guys once I'm done. But y'all, that deep conditioner is like, it's clutch. Like, it's seriously clutch. But I deep conditioned overnight, so I left them in my hair overnight because I haven't used these in a while. So I just wanted to make sure that when I did use them, that they were, you know, they were detangled, they were still good. So you guys can see, no tangles. And I used my Silver Bird. So I wanted a Yellow Bird hair dryer, but they discontinued that. So I have the Silver Bird, which is hands down one of the best hair dryers for natural hair, for thick hair. And I loved how it just, you know, it just did its job, and now it's all flowy stuff. This is not sponsored by HerGivenHair. This is just the only type of clip-ins I had because I didn't want to order new hair and it wouldn't get here on time. So I was like, well, let me look through my hair drawer and see what kind of hair I had, and I had these. So I'm going to go ahead and install these in the back, and then I'm going to try to figure out a way to do the top. So let's go ahead and get started. The one that had the 5 clips in the back, because I don't know if you noticed, but when you get bundles that have clips on it, they have ones that have 4, they have ones that have 5, they have ones that have 3. So of course you put the one with the most on there first, because for some reason the back of our head is bigger, you know. I don't know how that happens, but I think that was the only 5 that I have. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in the ones that have the 4 in them. So it's already installed, and y'all, it only took me 5 minutes. It only took me 5 minutes to do that. Like, I wish hair could grow that quick, okay? But that's why we got extensions and clip-ins, because we can grow our hair that quick, okay? Just kidding. Now that the back is done, everything's clipped, secured, and locked down. So So what I did now is I took a bundle and I put it facing up because I want my clip-ins up here to be faced up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go in between my little short bush and I'm going to clip some more facing up so that way I have a ponytail, because right now my pony doesn't exist. So we're gonna go ahead and just secure those in here. What I want to do with this one, I want to wrap it around my ponytail just so that way I can hide. So now what we want to do is we want to grab some gel, so you can use whatever you want to secure it. So I'm going to use my Got to Be glue, and I'm going to use the gel and the spray because I want this thing to hold, like clink clink. Okay, so I want it to hold, and I don't want to use I have some Gorilla Glue. I have some Gorilla Snot, but I don't know where it's at. So I'm just gonna use what I have and hopefully it will secure and stay down. So I'm just going to go ahead and slurp them down. No, Pretty Ricky. That's what it's called. Hey man, can you go give me the brush? Can you go get mommy the brush, please? I think it's out in the kitchen.
Yes, ma'am. Ready, ma'am?
Thank you. So you guys can see, I'm trying to grab everything, every small and short piece. And also, you want to be careful when you do that because you don't want your clip-ins to accidentally, you know, move or shift or come out of alignment, because that'd be no bueno. So what I'm gonna do is put my scarf around it, wind it, and get done. So I'll catch you guys in a few. Yes. That's why I love the saying, where they ease a will, they ease a way. Because there is a way where you can go from being bald-headed to having long hair in 30 minutes, okay? And I am living proof. My battery's getting low, but I do have a photo shoot today, so I'm going to get my face made up. Well, I'm gonna do my makeup, but I'm gonna do my makeup and then get dressed, and then once I come back, then I will take all this off and I'll show you guys like how it's slicked down, how I look with my face, and that's it. But like I said, super easy. It's not hard at all. What I did have to do, because part of the clips, well, part of the track was shown on this side, because I guess I don't have enough hair to kind of like really slick it down. So I took the clip-ins from in front and I put my hair in a ponytail. put one clip behind here up, and then the rest of them I just put it around my ponytail. For clarification, I put my hair, my real hair, in a ponytail, and I put the clip-ins around it, not like around the perimeter of the ponytail holder, but like around like the ponytail. And then the one that I put right here, I put around here, and then I took one of the ends, then I took the end, and then I wrapped it around so it will cover the track. So like I said, I'll show you guys once my hair is fully beat and I have all this stuff off of my face or off of my hair, and I'll come back and show you guys the final result. So I hope you guys enjoy. Like I said, I got this hair like 3-4 years ago, so I don't even know if they still sell it, but if they do, I'll leave the link down below so you can check it out, or I can find an alternative for you on Amazon, because y'all know I love Amazon. I get my hair from off of Amazon. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Give it a big thumbs up and feel free to share it to all your aunties, your mom, and grandma, all of them. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.